Ouch Palangi and VTFM. K0 Bites. Quality product from Punja's Biscuits.
Hey,
and welcome to
good morning.
Show. We say good morning to all the listeners, all our friends.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Tuning in this morning, we say good morning in Bulvinaka.
Right.
On VTFM.
Right.
And then on the Ouch Palangi Show, and mataga di Singapore Lulubinanga ko.
Lulubinaka.
Loma ni Mada. And Binaka Mika and Binaka Samu.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show in this wonderful mid-Wednesday of the half week of the half day of the week.
Yeah.
Say mama to the singer and midweek.
Yeah.
A very good morning, and all those tuning in today.
Yeah.
Boleh to Kultunga, Max Dolly. This is on the TikTok. Rosini Korle, we are and also 11 people tuning in on the TikTok this morning.
Yeah, well, good morning to all the one tuning in Facebook Live of VTFM.
Right.
So this morning is very different.
Okay.
Because when you look at us, we're wearing the different colors of the set.
Right.
And Demes is not here.
Demes.
Okay, what's wrong with our friend Demes?
He's
Yeah, the Tamale knows it. You explain.
you explain, Mika, because he told you the story yesterday.
No, because
He called me last night.
Yeah, what happened?
Tavale.
Yeah.
He was feeling like crying.
Okay.
And I'm telling him, hey, what's happened, man? What's happened? Don't cry. Tavale,
Yeah.
I'm not going home.
Huh?
I'm not going home.
Oi.
I'm here at father's place.
The brother.
He said maybe the bag outside.
Oh.
Okay.
Maybe because of the rebu of the song
You wake it.
of Two and Wicket. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
This fella have to be strong.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm telling him, see,
Yeah.
if it's like that, you leave the place from Lolombo.
Leave the house.
Leave the house.
Me tangi.
And go stay in Nandawa.
Stay right now, bella kalim.
Belum nak tu abis saya lesu mangonavo.
Right.
John Kumar from Parabel Road Singatoka.
Yeah.
Mesa Tambuadan dan belum nak mai vanu Matamano Island Resort.
Belum nak.
John Kumar Love Radio VTFM Fiji.
Alright.
Belum nak.
Thank you, John Kumar. Also, those sitting in the TikTok, Adi Bulunaka Maramatau,
Yeah.
and also Gypsy Queen.
And
Thank you so much for. Wait, you know, like when I talk like this, like something is blocking my nose. Eh?
Yeah.
Anyone have medicine? You know, any
Pero
medicine?
mataka ay tabi Faustina.
Matitaga? What is it in English?
Mataka is what?
It's the
Deadly
morning
al-
sickness.
Huh?
Yeah.
Morning sickness.
Morning sickness.
Right.
See.
Yeah.
Batal singo Demes nang ngono kakat singo nang kapo po kasi no.
Yeah.
O sa kamu asi.
Dra.
Iyo sa turba ngunoy pagalew.
Iya.
Ngunoy pagalew tira ni lansi ngona.
Right.
Ito don me ngunoy chu pagalew meron ni buketi kuno nang bula. And
I look suka benda
See, yesterday Mika told the people,
Yeah.
to every Wekanas here in Fiji,
Right.
if you get one little sickness,
Right.
go to the hospital.
Right.
He was advising yesterday,
Right.
and
Sarah.
today he is sick.
Who?
I don't know you.
After
I don't
this
know.
guy go to the hospital.
Okay, after this you go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Hey, one of my long auntie,
Yeah.
long lost auntie,
Yeah.
long lost auntie from Sacramento, California, Ima Lavu.
Yeah.
Auntie Imalabu, likewise to Auntie Liz K, Uncle William Morrell.
Right.
Oi.
Tuning in from Sacramento, California.
Hey, Arbinaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Era matagani ko.
Yeah.
Api Arbinaka be ini kadilala.
Yeah.
Ka mo bibi kemni kada na bito ka buli may matagani ko. Okay. Nontoy talon matagani ko mo diri sa tawlo taki na sa tawlo taki ochi.
Yeah.
Kito ngandra mga ko ken iwan
English version, English
Ouch
version.
Palangi Show.
Right.
Yeah.
Isa.
Go why say so?
Okay, Moses Serangio is saying something.
What happened?
This is Moses Serangio.
Yeah.
Because
His
Moses
name is
Serangio,
changed. Michael Radua, rest in peace. Fala change Moses Serangio's name. Fala's name is Moses Serangitawa. Yo.
Okay, may gusto ko mic na tana.
Iyo.
Balatin niya law kitigir to Moses era do nanguni showcase.
Right.
Na meron to yang kona lo siya ngo Moses ni Bernindro.
Iyo.
So ba lo mana kosin yang kona.
Right.
Alam mo mic sa tukur bino ng boso.
Yeah.
Oh, VJ, hey VJ. Nangon ngo mesake.
Next time you read the news,
Iyo.
and our sister radio station, Legend FM,
Iyo.
you say, good morning, this is Moses Serangitawa on your Legend FM news.
Opo to na bang to na ling ni karabin to na Airbus beka.
Yeah.
Ni Fiji Airways.
Right.
To siya matsuko man matagani ko.
I love the airplane.
Pero siguro nangole kipa pa lang. Matagani ko butri sa pastekin to beka na itugutugo ya na matagani ko.
Sabi mi?
Siya karto siya kailan siya na iroro nung kabukalibe nandi.
So, berto ba balik?
na matali ko.
Isa.
Kito sa pa ni bina ka nabugo ni namundo na ngolo tiko ki na namundo buka.
Right.
Iyo.
Kira sa ni buru-buru ta kan do sabi to kan bulu mikina and mata ka bina ka di ko.
And
Right.
thank you so much to all the cabin crew.
Gor sa
They
ka.
always smile. And
Yeah,
before
yeah.
they Isale, thank you so much for the right to talk up.
Right.
Iyo, like our
story,
Our story, our story.
Story.
Iyo, this fella here is tuning in from England, Junior Natora.
Bola,
Yeah.
bola,
When he was in Fiji,
Yeah.
and this Bines asked him
Where?
when they was in Delanabesi.
Oh.
Before I started the story, I
Alright.
have to say sorry to all my Tobata.
Yeah.
Tobata, Turanga, Marama, Tobata,
Yeah.
and boys and girls.
Why are you people in Manulebu?
Iyo.
And now call each other Tobata.
Oh, different story, Mika.
Ah.
You have to open the book and look back at your history, boy.
Wow.
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
the Tobata kind, the Lau gang,
Right.
they used to say Mbula, Malo, eh?
Yeah.
Malo. And this Bines,
Yeah.
he was sitting in the porch and looking and heading
In television.
in the Labesi.
Ah.
And had all the people from Lau.
Ah.
They said, Malo.
Iya.
And one
Matagalelo ro mata ko ya.
in the morning,
Singalebu.
midday,
Ya kabi mbongi.
afternoon,
Yeah.
evening,
Yeah.
night.
Bogile tutu.
Yeah, middle of the night.
Lama ni wakar Fiji Princess.
Ada
Kaya
berapa?
to kay nanu ya ala de sawa. Ano na ka Matthew?
I don't know misalnya rongo tolong ako lemani wakan ni princess.
Kaya ba? Pati ni rin kar bikin na rin na to bata.
Iya.
Malo. Yeah.
Malo. And this business wondering, hey,
Ah.
why Malo every
Alright.
time?
Ah.
Iya.
I don't know what happened. What is wrong with these people?
Yeah.
Malo.
Ah.
And one day, he want to ask a Junior Anatora.
He's fed up saraguri.
Yeah, fed up. He's
Ah.
fed up. Now I'll dig the bottom.
Right.
Why they say Malo?
Dig where?
De bangar
Dig the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Itu apa yang bener, oi?
And when Junior Anatora came,
Iya.
and Bida said,
Ah.
Bula Binaka.
Iya.
Iya.
Andra Binaka.
Yeah.
And same time, he expect to Junior to tell him,
Right.
Andra Binaka.
Ano na kayo?
Ada bedak.
And Junior tell him,
Ah.
hey, Malo Bines,
Ah.
hey,
Eh.
stop there.
Yeah.
Stop.
there.
Yeah.
Don't go, stop there.
Ah.
I want to ask every time I hear you people say,
Every day.
every day.
Yeah.
I'm tired of you people, hearing from you people. Milo every time.
Every day.
Every day, Milo. Why can't you people change it? Sometimes you drink coffee or tea. Man. Every time, Milo.
Yeah.
Try to change it to coffee or tea. Sabi ko, siya nga, izala ko, reto ko, batula ko.
Hey. Try changing coffee tea or dirty molly. Hey. Nama lewu.
Ano na ka turang mo na kaya akinata ano na meki na buti ni may murni tu.
Belum lagi.
Na matagdi ko matalita ano na ka
Right.
tinay soko matawalu.
Okay.
Natambo housing bubale na wea.
Right.
Kay na matawalu na matakani kuwa. Tinay soko matawalu.
Milo.
Iyo.
Milo.
Iya.
Milo.
Iya.
Hey. Every time I hear you people, Milo, kau sa robotiko.
I heard it, sir.
Into sa bosa tiko, Milo.
Eh.
Bagay, bisa mandat.
Eh.
Coffee sa tigre. Siya nga, yan na lang ko rin. Dalam niya kami
Gue
sa
sabi na kato ko, orto na turang katong
Bukit
pailaw.
Tokyo.
Berto ko sa tawag ko batagal sa coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Sa sanga ito nga mengo, may tawata ka nagubirig na tinito namin. Sa liba-liba luin, ito mula binaka,
Ano na ka
mesta.
Salansi Luisa.
Isa. At si Puro si
Kaya
Matiwai.
balik tarong ichumi ba ko na makaindi na?
Ha? Siya nga. Yan, nakaribitan lang ito nga.
Wele.
Aspero si Matiwai arbinaka pinapalo besar bito kani Abraham
Right.
tama ni
Tukula.
Bauta Tikoy ngau.
Sa aja na.
Isa. Sabi lo turang tani chugi kerry
Iya.
au na tukuna bira au na nomu second job.
Right. Itu ko na may.
Iya.
Get private message taga may.
Private message, mena, may spulta ka nito ka mo.
Ano ba ka bis nga nandrugoy balu? Ano ba ka turang matagali?
Belum belaka. Gasi may gari ko rin.
Kiri timo kola. Ano ba ka?
Eh, right. Belum belaka.
Siya maloni
Iyo.
to ni bina ka rubito kan may buruto tabi unian na.
Oh, asa gori.
Oi.
Iyo.
Bis na
Ano ba rin daro leto kina may para baki.
Oi.
Iyo.
Buruto, eh?
Buruto. Buro kata-kata.
Oi.
Iya. Mabuluto yan azab.
Rongoda.
Ano ba?
Oh, mas rangyo.
Iyo.
Kiramdang kirumbar rin pa sa misang gani.
Iya.
Eh? Sakit kita mengokong ngomit nota ke sabango ni kusaranga.
Iya.
Wasana bisa takin mder sa kun gebita diri mder sa tau.
Sakali nga mo malo.
Malo.
Benar-benar bisa lebih tokan bulmayan mata di kuah kita membuat ini nandor sih binang negara bitabi.
Right.
Beda dengan bagaimana lelaki yang nonton outs palang show.
Iya.
Nimber daga bitokan Italia da bitabi di doon negara ba da biasa buru-buru tabangan da orang bulmekina.
Dor binaka.
Biti kay nanonda biti ti ko bi kor daga daka.
Gori.
Bi kor ba biti na bi barabi so beka so kuasa mata di kuah.
Iya.
Rumah like hat mata kena share. En nanonda video leka-leka.